Welcome to Info Media Updates. Today we try to discuss about memory units. So in a computer, memory is playing a major role, just like a processor. So without memory, we cannot store any data. The lowest memory unit is 1 bit. Here in the image we have 0 or 1, but it is a 0 and 1 actually, because 1 bit is equals to 0 and 1. These two are the binary numbers. Binary means two numbers. Bi means two numbers. So that's why it is two numbers. 1 bit is equals to 0 and 1, and after that 1 nibble is equals to 4 bits, and after 1 byte is equals to 8 bits, and after that 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equals to 1024 gigabytes. So many people are spell like gigabytes, but it is giga. Next, 1 petabyte is equals to 1024 terabytes. Next, 1 exabyte is equals to 1024 petabytes. Next, 1 zettabyte is equals to 1024 exabytes. 1 yottabyte is equals to 1024 zettabytes. And after that, 1 geop. 1 geop is equals to 1024 yottabytes. So this is simply memory units. We have two types of memories in our personal computer. One is a primary memory and the other one is secondary memory. The example for primary memory is random access memory. In RAM again we have two types. One is a static RAM and the other one is a dynamic RAM. Static RAM we can also call it as a cache memory, the fastest memory among all the memories. Dynamic RAM. So dynamic means it cannot store the data permanently, but static means it can store the data permanently. For example, your username and passwords are saved by your system, and your browsing history and bookmarks information. So this total data saved by static RAM. Dynamic RAM, it can simply load the operating system. If you want to increase your system performance, definitely you need to increase your random access memory. So because booting means loading the operating system into random access memory, especially dynamic RAM. Suppose Windows 10 operating system size is 2 GB. If you have 4 GB memory, the 2 GB already filled with operating system, another 2 GB for applications. If you run PUBG like games, then it can take another 1 GB memory. So again you have 1 GB memory in 4 GB. So all other applications use 1 GB memory. So in this case your system will become slow. But if you use 8 GB or 16 GB random access memory, then your system performance will be increased automatically. So to increase the system's performance, definitely we need to increase the random access memory. And there one is secondary memory. Example for secondary memory is read-only memory. We have several types in read-only memory. First one is the PROM, programmable ROM, and EPROM, erasable programmable ROM. Next, double EPROM, electrically erasable programmable ROM. In double EPROM, we can erase the data by using electrical rays. That's why it is double electrically erasable programmable ROM. In EPROM, erasable programmable ROM, we can erase the data, but we cannot edit data. In programmable ROM, uh, we can edit data, but we cannot erase. So that is very simple. So read only memory using to save several systems applications like booting and linker, loader, debugging, compiler, interpreter. Like these application debugging, these all applications are saved by read only memory, and we cannot extend the read only memory, but we can extend the RAM and hard disk, but we cannot extend the read only memory. So this is important. While manufacturing only, they will give some memory to system, and nearly 8 applications are installed in the read only memory. Those 8 applications are compulsory to run the operating system. Without RAM we cannot run the operating system, but without hard disk we can run the operating system. Like next, hard disk. everyone knows. Now this hard disk is replaced with SSD, solid state disk drive nowadays. And after that, flash drives and optical devices. Example for optical devices: CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, compatible disc, compact disc, digital video recorder, DVD, Blu-ray, using for gaming purpose, introduced by Sony company. And some magnetic storage devices also there. Suppose in pen drive we save the data in the form of magnetic chip, like and magnetic signal storage devices, and flash memory is also there. So these all are comes under secondary memory. Secondary memory we can also call it as non-volatile memory. Primary memory we can call it as a volatile memory. Means non-volatile means permanent. Volatile means not permanent. It is temporary. So primary memory we can also call it as a temporary memory. Like, so this is simply about memory. Thank you.